Welcome to the top best. The best cooling additives is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of vehicle maintenance, but it's absolutely critical. Your engine works hard, and it generates a lot of heat. The cooling system is designed to manage this heat, and additives can play a huge role in keeping everything running smoothly. In this video, we'll dive into the best cooling system additives on the market. Number 5. OEMTOOLS No-Spill Coolant Funnel Kit, 15-piece. This no-spill coolant funnel kit is designed to prevent spills and eliminate air bubbles during radiator refills. It makes your coolant flush job clean and hassle-free. The kit includes 5 direct-fit radiator adapters, making it a versatile tool for various vehicles. This radiator funnel helps prevent spills and trapped air during refills. It features a 45 degrees angled adapter and a 5-inch extension, allowing access to tight or awkward filler necks. This ensures precise and easy coolant and oil refills. The integrated fluid stopper prevents drips when removing the funnel, keeping your workspace clean. It's an ideal coolant bleeder kit for your next coolant change. This kit includes 4 cap adapters, 5 filler neck adapters, 3 extensions, a fluid stopper, and a transparent spill-free funnel. Everything you need for a smooth coolant refill. What we like. This kit prevents spills, making your workspace clean. It also comes with multiple adapters to fit various vehicles. If you are looking for a clean and easy coolant flush, you should consider this kit. What people say. This tool turned an annoying process into a 45 to 50-minute job. Time will vary depending on how fast your vehicle reaches operating temp. No spills, no issues, simple procedure. Easy to use, works well and makes the entire drain and fill process seamless, allowing the elimination of air in the system. The funnel kit is made very well and provides several adapters to fit most vehicles. Remember to start your coolant change with a cold engine only. Terrific product. Number 4. OEMTOOLS 24444 AirEvac Kit. Introducing the OEMTOOLS 24444 AirEvac Kit. This tool quickly refills your vehicle's cooling system. It also eliminates trapped air, which helps prevent engine damage. This kit is designed to remove air pockets. These pockets can lead to overheating and potential engine damage. Using it can help keep your engine running smoothly. The AirEvac Kit allows you to perform vacuum leak tests. This helps ensure your cooling system is working correctly. It can also help you avoid expensive repairs. It comes with a universal adapter. This provides a secure, airtight seal on most radiator and coolant bottlenecks. It ensures a hassle-free experience. The kit includes 5 additional bushings and a tapered cone adapter. This allows it to work with a wide range of vehicle cooling systems. It's a versatile tool for various vehicles. What we like. This kit quickly refills your cooling system and eliminates trapped air. It also allows you to perform vacuum leak tests. If you want to ensure your engine's longevity and avoid costly repairs, you should consider it. What people say. This unit comes with a handful of adapters and plugs, so it would seem to fit a wide range of systems. This product fit the bill perfectly for the job and made the process faster, cleaner, and helped complete the job properly. Well made, easy to use and clean. This thing worked great. It literally took 30 seconds to place the cooling system under vacuum, and another 1 minute to fill 1.5 gallons of distilled water back into the system. And no air lock afterwards. Works fantastic. Have used it on several vehicles. The most recent, today, was a Ford 6.7 Power-Stroke diesel, with one of the most complicated cooling systems on the road. This tool was magnificent for filling 32 quarts of coolant back into my truck. Number 3. Rislone HyperCool Super Coolant, 16 ounces. Are you tired of your engine running hot? This product contains new technology wetting agents. It lowers the surface tension of the coolant mixture, improving heat transfer. This will help your system dissipate heat more efficiently. It reduces engine temperatures by up to 25 degrees Fahrenheit, helping to prevent overheating. It lubricates and protects water pump seals. It also helps prevent corrosion of all metals in your cooling system, including aluminum. This is compatible with all types and colors of antifreeze coolant. You can use it in various vehicles, from classic cars to heavy-duty trucks. This product is proudly made in the USA. It's a reliable solution for your cooling system needs. What we like. This coolant reduces engine temperature and prevents overheating. It also offers maximum corrosion protection for your engine. If you like to keep your engine running cool and protected, you should consider this. What people say. Keeps coolant temperatures down between runs. Also provides excellent corrosion protection so you can run all water without any antifreeze or coolant for track purposes. This keeps it from overheating. Number 2. OEMTOOLS 87045 No Spill Coolant Filling Funnel Kit. This kit includes everything you need for a spill-free coolant refill. It comes with multiple adapters, elbows, and extensions to fit most vehicles. It makes the whole process simple and clean. Using this kit is incredibly straightforward. Just choose the right adapter, connect the funnel, and fill. The design ensures a hassle-free experience for almost all vehicles. The kit's 45-degree elbows and extension allow you to access those tricky spots. This feature ensures that you can easily refill the coolant, no matter the vehicle's design. Say goodbye to spills and drips. The fluid stopper prevents leaks when removing the funnel. The adapter gaskets further ensure a tight seal, keeping everything clean. The included coolant tester quickly checks the freezing point of your coolant. This helps you ensure that it is working correctly. It's a complete solution for your coolant needs. What we like. This kit makes coolant filling simple and mess-free. It includes a coolant tester to check the freezing point. If you want a convenient and easy-to-use kit, you should consider this. What people say. Was able to change the coolant in my 2GR FE engine without spilling a drop. Bled the system perfectly. After 4 weeks the coolant level hadn't changed. Bleeds your cooling system the first time without one drop on the floor. Super kit functional avec plein d'adaptateurs pour différentes voitures. Number 1. Ultra 1 Plus UltraCool Premixed 50/50 Coolant, Gallon. Introducing UltraCool Antifreeze Coolant 50/50, a convenient, ready-to-use solution. It simplifies your vehicle maintenance, making it hassle-free for all major makes and models. This 50/50 engine coolant is designed to meet industry standards. It's suitable for both automotive and heavy-duty diesel engines, offering versatile protection. The coolant features a low silicate concentration and a phosphate-free formula. This provides excellent corrosion protection and prevents boilover, extending the life of your engine. The high-quality defoamer system protects hoses, plastic components, and gaskets. It ensures compatibility and preserves the integrity of your engine, keeping it running smoothly. Whether you have a modern engine or a car from 2000 or older, this coolant is designed for it. It works well with any car brand, ensuring comprehensive engine protection. What we like. This coolant is ready to use and suitable for both automotive and heavy-duty diesel engines. It offers superior corrosion protection. If you are looking for a convenient and versatile coolant, you should consider it. What people say. Not getting any weird corrosion or evaporation from this coolant yet, it really loves water wetter additive, decided to go red coolant just to be different, wouldn't say it's any better or worse than your common brand's universal coolant, but seems to be the best bang for buck off Amazon. I use in my side-by-side UTV and it works well. This is exactly what the manufacturer calls for. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.